Dear viewers and subscribers, welcome again to our YouTube channel Max the Service. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive all notifications regarding any video we are uploading on this channel. So, in this session, guys, we will be working with all those commands relates to remote repositories. Here are some git remote repositories command. So let's do execute all the commands with some example and practice. Okay guys, let's start with git remote repositories commands, where we will be executing all those commands which are useful when we work with the remote branches like local staging and remote. All the difference we will be discussing apart from practical example. So let's start. First of all, I will check how many branches do we have. Git branch. Here is master. If I want to see all the branches, okay, we have two branches. I mean one branch which is on remote and also on local. Also, let me show you here. We have our remote repository and where we have only master branch. So I will go and check out git check out -b and branch name like dev. Okay, now we have created another branch which is dev, and this is a local branch. If I will execute the same command again, you can see we have dev branch created local, but you know that we have to push that branch on remote. Here you can see there is no this dev branch available. To do this, you know what we have to do, we just can add remote branch to set push with upstream, origin and dev. So now it will be available on our remote branches. Here you can see it is created new one, and setup track. Okay, get pull. To start working on any branch, you must use pull if you are sure that you are just working from the scratch. And let me show you, we must have this dev branch be available here as well. Great. Here you can see we have now two branches, and we can check with this command, the branch A. Now we have two branches, dev and master, on both side, local and remote. Okay, the command is fetch. What actually fetch command do? Let me show you with example. Here you can see we have remote repository, which is this one. This is remote repository under Shahid Hussain Abbasi, a demo. Demo is a remote repository. Whenever you will execute command fetch, it will just get the latest changes from remote to your local repository. Okay, it will not implement, it will not append or update these changes to your working directory, not even in staging area. But in here, in this diagram, you can see, to do this you have to execute the command git pull. It will just pick all the changes from remote, and it will merge in your working directory. So what is the difference between pull and fetch? Actually, when you are not sure that there are changes, and you are aware those changes, and you are sure that those changes can create conflict, then you have to just fetch, and you can review all those changes, and then you can merge file by file, step by step you can start merging one by one. Because executing pull, it will, if there are hundred of files or many changes in remote, executing pull will reflect into your working directory, and you will be busy, and it will take some extra time to fix all those conflict with the IDE you are using, as you have done last time in last session, or you can be doing fixes manually and then you have to do some testing. But the help of fetch, and then you can review and merge file by file. So let's do some practice. Let's suppose someone else did some changes in dev branch. I have to move to dev branch, and let me do changes. Source, here let's suppose I am adding text, edit, testing comments to check fetch command in Git. Okay, so I'm going to committing this change, updating demo application test file, and with I'm going to provide the commit message, uh, testing fetch command. Okay, so I will commit this. So this change will be available remote. When you will execute the command like pull, it will reflect quickly into your working directory. I mean, you will be able to see here that text. Otherwise, executing fetch, then you can just see the commit history, and then you can go file by file, whatever approach you adopt. Okay, so let me execute the command. Clear. I am in the dev branch and I will be running fetch. Okay, you see there is no any change. We have done changes on remote, and after fetching, we have to see the changes in local repository. How we can see, there are different methods, like we can execute status. It will showing us your branch is behind origin dev by one commit, because someone has committed on remote branch, and now our branch dev branch is behind one commit. If I go and commit on the remote branch another second time, then it will be behind two commit. We can also see this difference by writing git diff origin and dev. Here you can also see, before merging we can view and understand, okay, how many commits our branch is behind and what are the changes in our branch, so that we can merge instead of executing git pull. So to do merge, just we will be doing git merge. Now it will merge, and we can see, here you can see it is updated with commit comment provided in the remote branch. Okay, what is the next command? Next command is pull. Pull actually pull is combination of fetch plus merge. Where you are confident, you just need to get all the updates from remote and you need to merge with your local, you can go with pull. So it is simple. You can also pull from code from remote branch. How to pull code from remote branch, changes from remote branch, let me show you. Because we have two branches on local and one is on remote, which is master. So we have to set git push set upstream origin dev. Now this branch should be available on the remote because we have pushed here is okay. If I want to do some changes remotely, like in README, this is dev README. Okay, commit in the README file. We have made changes in the dev branch, and now we are in no sorry we are in master branch, and here in README, if I go to README file, where is here is nothing. I want changes in README in master branch from the README of dev branch. So what command I can execute? I will just write clear git pull, and I will add remote branch which is origin dev. Okay, so merge fail conflicts and then commit the results. Let me see. Okay, here is this is dev readme file. It is updated in master, but we have some changes in other file which uh, get the reason of commit. So we can also use the path of file name. If we know only what changes in which file we need to get the in our current branch, then we can just refer instead of branch, we can just refer file path. Okay, so to resolve this, just I can go and I can, because I don't want changes in the demo application, so that's why I will first reset the changes. Git reset. Where is the path? Source test Java maxi service, and yeah. And now I will just, you can see I have to restore git restore. I can just change restore. Okay, it is back to my original, and here in readme I have updated the text from master, oh sorry, from dev. So guys, in this video we have discussed mostly used command like git fetch, git pull and git push. Actually these command mostly used by developer or engineer working with git, and these are belongs to the remote repository. All these commands when you work with these commands, you have to work with remote repositories. Okay, please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and also do like, share in your circle these videos, and also provide your valuable comments. And I hope you will be liking and sharing, so that I will be continuing with rest of the technologies and tools sharing with you. Thanks.